All right, you guys, we're going to go ahead and do this graphically now. I've already plotted the first point here with this thing, so we're going to go ahead and draw things in here. Okay, so we got this point here, which is -3, 0. We're going to label this M. It's almost too little there, so let's undo that and let's try this again. All right, M. Okay, good. The next point is -1, 3, so we'll go -1 and go up 3. So we'll put a point here, okay, and we're going to label this one N, okay, and then we're going to go P, which is 5, 4, so we're going to go 5 and then up 4, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll put a point here, and we'll label this one P. Oh, it's not a very good P, huh? Let's try this again. A little bit better. And then we're going to do R, which is 3, 1. So 1, 2, 3, and up 1. So we get a point here. Okay? And we're going to call this one R. Now we're going to go ahead and draw some lines in here. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So we'll go from here. Well, that's pretty thick, but you'll get the idea here. So we got that. Trying to see if there's a way we can unthick that thing. Okay, thickness. We're probably gonna go down. There we go. How's that? There we go. That's a little bit better. Okay, and then draw another line. So here we go. And we're gonna go from N to P. Okay. And then we're going from P to R. Whoops, I don't know why it shifted like that for me. Let's go ahead and put it back here. That's all we want to do. Here we want to hit escape. We're going to draw one more line here. So we're going to go from here, R to M, and we got that there. Okay, good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw another point here, and we're going to go ahead, and I would like to change the colors on this one, if we could. We're going to go red or even blue or something like that. And let's go ahead and let's draw a 2D shape. So what we want to do is now we're going to connect the diagonals. So we're going to go this way, okay, and connect that one. And let's see if we can change the color here. We're going to go purple. There we go. And then we'll do the same thing, go in the other direction. We'll draw another line going this way, okay. And as we connect those 2 points, what we want to do is now we want to find the point of intersection. So technically right here, if we wanted to, we can change it and we put a point right there. Okay. And we'll change the color to, let's go green. And we're there. So I didn't really show it. So I'm going to go back here to the brush part of it. And we'll go green. And this point of intersection is right here. So now we look at this. So what are we going to do from our coordinates? So we're going to go over 1 and then up 2. So our answer is going to be 1, 2. And that is our answer. Is that the same we got it mathematically? So you have a choice. Either way you can do it. And the nice thing about it is that you guys have technology to be able to add these things to your screen if you choose to. Okay? So you have a choice mathematically or using the graphing, whatever works for you.